I have a C6 Corvette here. This one got popped in the back.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a F-150. I'm down here in our aluminum shop. Destroyed right through this area. All right, I got this bedside on. I'm gonna roll this outside. Being that it's hot outside, it'll help that glue dry up faster. So I'm gonna sit this in the sun till probably about lunchtime, and that glue should be good and dry by then. Then I'll finish it up and clean it up. On to the next one. I have a C6 Corvette here. This one got popped in the back, right in the bumper cover. The reinforcement bar is buckled. I got a new bar here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna measure this, make sure there's nothing else off back here, and then, assuming everything else is good, I'll go ahead and cut this bar off and get the new bar put on there. All right, I got the car centered to the measuring system so it knows exactly where the car is sitting right now. So now I'm gonna come back here to the back and do some measurements. All right, the frame of this measures out perfect. The only spot that's off really is over here, which I expected from that all being pushed in, but it's getting a new bar, so I'm not worried about that. The actual frame is good, and I did notice this point right here is actually pushed in a little bit, a couple millimeters more than it should, but somebody's repaired this before. You could see where they've actually welded something together here and undercoated it. Not the right way to go about it, but like I said, this is getting replaced, so that's not really gonna matter, but that's the reason that point was off a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this bumper bar cut off. I got this bar roughly cut off in order to get easier access to all the welds, so I just kind of roughly tore it off, and now I'm gonna carefully trim these out the rest of the way and get these last little pieces off, and then I'll start fitting the new bumper bar up. All right, I got this Corvette coming along good. I have the rebar sitting on there roughly. I'm gonna, in the morning, I'll go ahead and measure it, get it sitting exactly where it's supposed to be. And once it's sitting exactly where it's supposed to be, I will weld it on. And other than that, this one gets a quarter panel and a bumper painted, so that's about all I have left on this one.